Hi guys, good evening. Currently it's 1:21 a.m. Flight namin is 5 something. Yeah. And we have to be early there because mag-travel pa kami sa airport like 1 hour something. So this is the current state. And final packing na lang. I see you guys in next clip. Ano kaya yun?
The shine like a diamond. Mag-attempting sleep but we can't sleep.
We can't sleep kay marites ka ang mga langit.
I crawled to my room, finally made it through the door, smiled at the roof, spent hours falling through the floor. Where do I end? Where do you begin? There's a shared sense to our shared pleasure. I think I'm gonna.
Hi guys, so we're here at Naiya Tree
So hot.
and we are currently make tambay sa Wendy's. Why are you here?
I'm hungry.
How long have you been here?
5 years.
What is your occupation here? What's your job here?
Professional eater.
Oh, for how long?
I'm sleepy. I'm tired.
So, wala kaming tulog and we're so tired and kalibangon. So, we are just make tambay here and wait for our mother superior to arrive.
Gonna fall right through. All my limbs are lying.
This was the room, guys.
O gusto ka mag-Charlotte?
We're getting ready, guys. Kasi magpapabet kami. Ah! Diba?
Yeah, mapait wala itong drums.
Someone I trust.
Chicken barbecue po.
Ay, wala pa yun. Naluto ka ba, ma'am?
So this is my closet, guys. This is my collection of my bags. So this is Birkin, Gucci, Chanel, Charot.
Puhon ba na kay office?
Sir, diri magpa-kuan interview for GRO.
Ay, diri na side.
Ay,
Siyang kuwan. Kung ang initial interview, siyang sa final.
hinas kayo na.
Line 1, sir.
Wala. Oh, ma'am, sir, welcome. Dayon, take a seat. Nami ko muna itong menu, ma'am, sir. Choco coma, sir.
Choco kuma.
Choco coma.
Okay, so for today, we're gonna be cooking Era Alamek. You know, everything's in right, mate.
Ay, hala. Okay, ready na the play.
May gulabad lagi no.
Uy, bad naman.
Ano ang to?
Huli ang salarin.
This is the kids section.
Appear.
Good morning. Ay, ayan ang sundo ko.
No shouting.
Wala pa kayong light
Gasto
nila.
sa kwan.
Na busy pa sila sa empake. Alright, see you guys. Yeah, we're getting ready na guys. We're just waiting for our grab. So, naabot mi di arin sa new room naman sa Novaliches and I'm with my sleeping mate, Lore. Ano? Aha. Ah, yes, please. Mag-food panda sa daw mi guys. So, moban ko.
Galing ini ko ano po siya?
Tadakimasu. What animal are you? Okay, very good. Next. What animal are you? Dinosaur. Roar. Very good. Next. What animal are you po?
A pussy pop.
What animal are you? Sa ka, pesting animal or? Dili na daw siya.
I'm a tiger, roar.
So, to ganiha di ay. Pussy pop, meow. Say more. Color? Guys, I will show you the crochet. Yan o. We are currently here in a busy street and we are struggling to cross. Ay! Who's boy pa ang gagawin namin? Ganito ang kapal kami sa Manila. Okay, go, 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 go. Guys, it's so scary pala here in the Manila, no? Guys, look at this, oh. It's a touch. One piece McDo, ma'am. With fries po, ma'am. Sige po. Isa lang po. Add order. Tatawid na naman ulit kami. Tatabok. Tatabok. Mukhang mahihirapan na naman kaming tumawid nito. Sakay ko. Ay, hala, thank you, kuya. Ay! Ay! Uy, 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 uy. Kami ay nakatawid na.